IDA stands for International Dragon Award. And I was just thinking that myself just do the unboxing now. It's the badge, I think. The beauty of insurance. Agent category Bronze Dragon Award. Who's in ID? Bronze Dragon Award Agent category. So what does it mean? Basically qualify. Should there be any agent of the insurance and financial industry with outstanding contribution to the organization meets the agent category awards. The awards categories will recognize the contribution achievement of those agents of insurance and FA in selling and serving professionally. For Singapore criteria is we need to hit 36K, and FYC stands for first year commission of 85,000. I'll probably take a picture. Super. Forward.